Check emergency switch. View display. Release switch. Check teach pendant emergency button. Release button. Press power button. Press wrong button. Move to robot weld area. Clean robot torch. Move working stand under robot. Climb onto working stand. Open left hatch. Open right hatch. Select air gun. Clean inside using air gun. Remove the robot torch. Move to torch straightening area. Tight robot torch.
Straighten the robot torch. Torch straightening completed. Pick it.
Move towards robot. Attach the robot torch.